Hello, my name's Aaron Brown. We're here at the Bonneville Salt Flats today, where we just ran the Garage Shop C2 Restoration 65 Corvette. I'm here to tell you a story of how we arrived here with our partners at Triton3D. Today what we did is we went out and we went 249 miles an hour at exit speed at the 5 mile with this car. It was a new class record. It was average two-way run. That record now went from 236 to 246. We decided that building with some of the fastest race cars in the world wasn't enough. We had to up our technology. We started our own engineering department. We have 5 engineers that work for that department, and what those guys do is they do a lot of 3D scanning, modeling. We design all our cars in CAD before we do that. In doing that, quite a few of these parts are made from Ultim 1010 by Triton in our Fortis 450 printers by Stratasys. The big benefit of working with Triton3D is the cost. It's as good as OEM manufacturer, in some cases even a little bit better. And the first class service that you get with those guys is amazing. They've always kept our materials up and running. All our projects that we use are through Triton3D. So the parts that we use on this car to help achieve that kind of speed, we do a lot of interior parts with the 1010. And mainly it'll be the leg braces, the dashboard stuff, because that's an integral part of the leg board that comes down beside the driver's leg in case of an accident. It keeps his legs and everything kind of in place so it doesn't break a femur or something like that. So all those pieces were all made out of that, and the forces that would see in a rollover or an accident at 250 miles an hour is pretty serious. So we like to use serious material. The other things that we use the Ultim 1010 for is a lot of engine compartment brackets and pieces. And the salt surface is very choppy, it's very bumpy. So whatever we use for a bracket, a piece, a port, it has to be able to put up with a lot of vibration, a lot of high impact bump, heat. It's 146 degrees inside the car at Bonneville. And under hood temperatures sometimes reach well over 200 degrees. So the Ultim 1010 is probably the perfect choice for what we do in every scenario what we do on our cars.